let's take dt dot. I'm taking now. I'm taking here daytime, right? We know daytime. We know dot will take the now. Now function is there, right? Now function is there. What is the meaning of now? In the previous case, the date and time displayed as per the given numbers, But I want to display the current time, current date and time by default. The current date and time, yes, you can see the current date and time, guys. The current date and the current time. All right. How to get the current date and time means which function we use. So first, what is dt? dt is the module. In that module, datetime is the submodule, or then how is the function, right? Okay, at there, right there. Now function. Now, right now, guys. It will return the current. It will return the current date and time. It will return the current date and time. The current date and time. The current date and time. Okay, right. So write this one. Right, you can see now. So both, right? Now function is alternative here. Today, both are giving the same result, right? So date and time, just a microsecond changing, guys. Okay, but you can see that date and time is giving both the same. Which function we use? Either use the now or today. Okay. Or so which one now? Now, today, right? Today and now. Right. So option 3. Suppose in the same case, I want to display only today date only. Today date I want to display. Today date. Then how? Date function is used to display the date as per our numbers. as per the our numbers. But I want today date only. Then there anything is there? Will be now. So print of dt dot date time dot date is there not there. Date needs arguments, right? All date function I have seen. Today means it's giving it is giving completely which one? The date and the time giving, right? Date and time giving here. But if you want only data I want now. And then what to do now? Let us see. See there any function is there here? These are special functions which are not required. These all are the all special functions, default functions, right? See there. These are all special functions. So today is the right. Today I have seen just now, and weekday. Weekday returns what? Day of the week represented by the date. Monday 0, Sunday 6, right? So weekday. Criminal. Let us see this one. What is weekday? Weekday of if you execute it, it's saying that needs argument, right? What do you give? Can I give the suppose 0? Let us see now. If I give the 0, daytime object does not. Let's give the right. What is there here? Apply on what? Or else we'll do one thing here. So help function is the right. Tell me now. Help of apply weekday. No, right? No. Let us try, guys, here. What exactly weekday? Give me now. Weekday in which one? Date time in Python. Okay. So first of all, observe, guys, that taking the date time with 3 arguments into one variable, then on that variable apply the weekday, so that displays the is it Monday or Tuesday, like that. Okay, just observe, all of observe. So what happened here? First, let's take the right. So I take into one variable here, into one variable first, into one variable something date, right? Date variable, right? Now print of data, right? Print of date. Extra is there. Right. Now, so date data, which one? Weekday, right? Weekday. Does it come or not? No. Right. So 0. Why 0? Monday is the 0. Monday is the, today is Monday, right? So it's 0. The same one, if run the tomorrow, then what comes at that time? One will come, right? For example, guys, let us try. I take the date of some yesterday date. I'll take now. Yesterday 2022, comma 4. What is the yesterday? 17. Now what is the weekday yesterday? Monday is the one. Then Sunday will be how much? So Monday is the 0. Sunday will be 6, right? We can see now 6. It returns the index number of the day. The number of the day or index number of the day. So Monday is 0 and the Sunday is the 6. Okay. For example, if I take here something 16 means Friday. How much now? It will be 5. Take the weekday function. Weekday, right? Weekday function. Right? Weekday function. Right there. It will return the index number of the day. Like Monday is the 0. Like Monday is what? Monday is 0 and so on. Sunday is the 6 and so on. Sunday is the 6. Sunday is the 6. Monday is the 1, Sunday is the 6. Right. So on this data, on this one, we see some programs in the next class. Some programs we see. On the daytime module, on the dates, we'll discuss some programs. Okay, in next class. Over. Right. So stop it now. Tomorrow we see some programs on the daytime and we go for the new module.